Hey everyone, so it's currently 6:46 on September 8th, so it's now the next day. I don't know if I have decided to make this a two-part series just yet or just having it all in one video. I was gonna pack earlier in the day to try to like have a more of a head start on packing, but I also have tomorrow to pack, so it's not like I just have just today to pack. I still have tomorrow. So today I'm just gonna try to pack up a few things. I have some boxes. I have like 2 empty boxes right here. But yeah, so I'm kind of thinking of doing like my closet stuff. So I have these like little drawers. These ones right here, these little orange ones that I want to kind of put everything away. All of the stuff that's in these drawers I'm just gonna keep because I do think I'm gonna keep this entire like thing. I just am gonna have to get like a replacement drawer because Obi like tore that one up. So I'm just gonna have to get a replacement drawer, but that's completely fine. That'll be easy to just order off of Amazon really quick. I left these 2 shirts because I'm thinking about probably wearing like the black or the purple one on move-in day. We're gonna have to see. However, I went ahead and emptied out that laundry hamper. These are just some pants that I need to pack. This is all of my like dirty clothes, and then these are like not even my shorts. And then yeah, so right now we're gonna start on trying to pack away these 2 boxes.
It's the lullaby straight till the morning. Oh, how we keep it going. This love is only moments, girl. And you know I'm carrying the world. So just fuck me like the side boy. Save me from all of the pain and the drama. I'm playing whisper down the lane with my problems. Hope it's somebody gonna solve them. And so I lose myself in labor. Time to cry when the day's filled. But when the lights turn low and there's no one here, can I shed a tear? Can you lullaby me?
So far I organized all of my camera equipment kind of. So I have like just like kind of whatever was in this drawer. As you can see, Obi like literally demolished it. So both these orange things need to be thrown away because Obi literally ate through both of them. This other one was literally just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. So I'm gonna like have to go through it completely on its own. But I think now I'm gonna go through that little like caddy over there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I think I'm gonna bring that over here and go through it.
Kids on schoolhouse concrete, hand in hand, me and you. I was just young and stupid, thought I was keeping you.
2 kids on schoolhouse concrete,
hand in hand, me and you. I was just young and thought I was. You ignore me today, baby. I was wrong thinking you loved me. Broke my heart with bare hands. Who else am I not gonna trust? Yeah. Best friend, first friend, best friend. You are my best friend, best friend. You are my first friend, best friend. Yeah. You are my first.
Okay, so I just cleaned out all of this drawer and literally like this is looking like a hot mess, but a lot of this stuff is gonna go like into this. Well, kind of, I don't know. So basically, since I'm not gonna have a vanity, I was thinking of keeping my makeup and stuff in here. So I'm gonna put like all my skincare, makeup stuff, and then see whatever drawers I have left, and then whatever drawers I have left, I'll put like my miscellaneous stuff or just like my YouTube stuff. Okay, so it's a little bit later now, honestly. Like, I have so much stuff I didn't realize. It's 8:56 now. But yeah, I have literally so much freaking crap. This is kind of what we're dealing with. That's just like miscellaneous stuff. That's my camera stuff. I have to empty out one of those because the other one's just Obi's stuff. Need to get all the stuff off the walls, things like that. But I had to like stop filming for a while because I was literally just like getting overwhelmed. It's now 9:31 and I am like exhausted. I think I'm just gonna save majority of the packing tomorrow. I think I'm literally just gonna like spend all of tomorrow packing, getting everything like put together because I literally leave on Friday. Here's what I'm working with. So I removed all of the stuff up there and right there. I'm not bringing that or any of my curtains. I am bringing the little floating shelf though. So I have all of that stuff like in that box. This is like all my electronic stuff. That's just like an empty box. I have my clothes. These are all dirty. And this is all of a mess. That I already cleared out. I think I am gonna take this, but I think I might just bring that on Friday. I have all of this stuff. I have to go through the top of this, and then that I'm just gonna keep all of the stuff in there. So I don't really have too much left to do. It's just like a lot of stuff. Definitely very, very time consuming, but I'm really tired. I'm super hungry and I just want to take a shower. Alright, so it's now the next day. It's 5:20. It's September 9th. I officially move out of my home that I've lived in my entire life tomorrow. Sad teens. Anyways, I literally was supposed to pack all day today. I was supposed to spend today finishing up my packing, but I don't know what it is, but I just like bro, there's some like bug or something in my room. Like I literally just was hearing it like make noises. But anyways, I don't know. I've just been really procrastinating it. I don't want to do it at all. Look at my nails. They look gross. My face looks gross. The acne on my face right now is awful and I can't like stop touching it just because like I'm a little stressed out. Like I have so much stuff to still do and I move tomorrow, so I should have a lot. And yeah, I've just been postponing it, but we're gonna get started. So I don't know how these videos are gonna be. I'm literally gonna have like no SD card space for anything, so yay. Just about done completely with packing. It's now 7:22 and I've literally packed up my entire room. I'll show you guys kind of what my closet's looking like. I'm sorry if you can hear like the AC or just like the noise. There's a lot going on right now, so just bear with me. But basically, so this is kind of what my closet's looking like. I just went ahead and moved all of the necklaces and stuff and put them in here. Closet is just looking super, super empty. That's like all my Poshmark stuff, but I'm leaving that here. And then a few of these things up here I'm just leaving. This we're gonna move out of here. We just haven't done it yet. That's just like some dirty clothes and just extra clothes. Camera stuff or just like electronic-y stuff. Everything else house. This is all empty. I just have to clear off that. I am taking this. This is kind of what my other closet's looking like, so I decided I'm not gonna bring this probably ever, but if I do decide I want it, I'll come back and get it, but I just put it in here for right now. This, honestly, I am thinking about taking, but I'm just not gonna take it right now. But yeah, so that's kind of where we're at. I think literally after this, like after we get all this stuff like moved and put where it needs to go, I'm gonna literally take a shower and just relax because this has been super stressful.
But you moved a little quick since we've been through. Play coy, but it's true. I push down a sick urge to please you. And truth is, I don't feel bad about a single thing I ever did. It's ruthless, my devotion to you, I can't get it out of my head.
Alright guys, so I'm officially done packing. This is what my room is looking like. Super empty, crazy. I am gonna be bringing that, but I have to like unscrew it and everything, and then I'm bringing all of this, that, my bed and everything. I'm not bringing this. I'm not bringing my TV, I don't think. Well, at least not for now. Like, it's not like I can't come back and get stuff, but I have pretty much everything that I know I'm bringing right now. That's kind of that situation. But me and my mom are actually about to go to Walmart, and it's like 7:48. We're gonna go to Walmart because we need to get some cleaning supplies and stuff, because tomorrow my first thing I want to do before I put like anything really inside is like deep clean the entire apartment. So we're gonna go to Walmart right now, get some cleaning supplies so that we can do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn your post notifications on. This is definitely like a wild ride. I'm very excited for this journey, and I can't wait to bring you guys on it. So if you would like to follow my moving journey and just like my life coming up this next year and just like living on my own and just seeing how I grow as a person and stuff, then definitely hit the subscribe button, because it's definitely going to be a wild ride. So I'm super excited to bring you guys along, and I cannot wait for all the videos to come. But I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.